Hello and welcome to Design West 2012. My name is Viale Gianluca, Analog and Power Product Marketing Manager for Renesas Electronics, and today I'm talking about the Twister. As you can see, it's a very interesting stirrer. It's basically a magnetic stirrer, and all it does, it turns this white flea that is a magnet in this cylinder filled of water, creating the nice effect that you can see. What we want to show in this with this demo are basically our motor control solutions based on RX62T MCU. That is a 32-bit microcontroller with DSP and a floating point unit that is able to drive up to 2 motor control brushless. As you can see, we have a full kit. It comes with a kit with the board, the software, a 300 watts electric motor, and the GUI. The GUI we are showing here, it basically takes charge of showing all the parameters of the motor control, the speed, the current, the voltage on the different phases, and is able to provide a quick and easy way to evaluate your motor solution. In addition, in the motor control board, we have our MOSFETs, power MOSFETs. These are 40 volt, 60 amps power MOSFET. They are here, and they are just one type of power MOSFET, but Renesas Electronics provides a full product portfolio for MOSFET, IGBTs, and in general power products. And right now we are promoting our products. You can go on to this website www.am.renesas.com/free AMP and you will be able to, after registering, to order some free samples of our power products. Yes. In addition, we also have a LED driver solution with our 78K microcontrollers. It's a 4-channel constant current LED driver that in this case is driving 4 pairs of high brightness LEDs, and it comes in a kit that you can order online. This is the code, DigiKey or Future have it. It comes in a kit with the board, with 4 high brightness LEDs, the software and the power supply, ready for you to start evaluating whatever solution for high brightness LEDs you might have. Very compact. It can be controlled via a GUI where you can program the profile of the lights, or control via I2C or other type of communication protocols. Thank you very much.